if you want to train for quickness and explosiveness, here's a variation of things that you can do, a little bit of a combination, right? So what's one of the most explosive things we can do is jump, right? And you want to combine this with some quickness things, right? So for example, if you are, I'm going to try to do some profile, and I'm going to do this facing you so that you see what's going on. So, if I'm standing like this, I'm going to go down, I'm going to get up, right? See that? You just go down, and then you add a jump. See that? See how that works? Now this is everything, right? It actually works out your shoulders as well, because you have to, when you go down, support yourself on your shoulders and your arms, and then that quick explosive movement, right? That's one, but it doesn't end there. You also jump, and you got it all has to happen with reasonable agility, because you gotta jump and jump. So there's actually two little jumps in there, and that's a really good thing if you're working on explosiveness. This is an advanced thing. Do 30 of these. Oh, you know, you're gonna do good. I just did 2, and you see, I mean, I'm out of breath because I'm talking at the same time as I'm doing these, but they aren't easy. You will be out of breath. And if you're not out of breath, maybe you're not doing it quick enough. Something maybe not right with the form or the quickness. Maybe you're making it, cheating a little bit with some part of the technique. So if you're not out of breath, you should be. So try to see in every part of the motion whether you're doing it with correct technique, or whether maybe you're cheating in some way. Like a common way people sort of cheat, and cheat just themselves really, is during the basic push-up, right? Or anything else. Some people cheat like this and just rest on their joints in a way. But when your muscles get, when you work your muscles, is if your arms are directly below your shoulders, and so that with your chest and with your arms, you have to support all that weight, right? So that's a common way people don't do the right technique, and then they're like, I can do many, but then they're not doing it the right way. So keep that kind of stuff in mind.